Hi everyone, this is Alexandr Antsypov, and in this video I'm going to show how to add confirmation dialog with buttons OK and cancel into mobile application. Create new Ionic 5 app. Logic of our application will be simple. Just one button, after clicking on which we will show confirmation dialog. Of course, you can show confirmation dialog using TypeScript, but now I'm going to show more convenient way, using a pre-plugin. Let's add OK Cancel Alert plugin. Plugin has only one service, and to add it into the screen we have to add corresponding data source. It accepts several parameters, so we can provide header, subheader, message, and the name of buttons cancel and OK. Let's specify header as a hello. When user click OK button, will be invoke success callback and error callback in case of clicking cancel button. To verify it, let's add showing toast. For OK, let's show toast with header OK, message OK, and with duration 1 second. And another toast for cancel button. Header cancel, message cancel, and duration 1 second. Came back to design tab and specified that after clicking on button, alert OK cancel service should be invoked, and test. Let's click button and first click OK, and let's do the same for cancel. As you see, everything works as expected. That is all what I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for watching.